How would you like to start to manifest using your own sexual energy? Yep, it's possible. Let's get into this. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And let's get started. You are created in the Creator's image, which means that the Creator, which we cannot see, but we can feel, spirit. Now, as we know, when we die, we have spirit inside of us. And when you look in that casket crying over that body that was once your loved one, you're only crying over the vessel, but not the spirit, because the spirit is now gone, which means that energy is not lost nor destroyed, but is transferred from one object to the next. So we know we are full of energy, and we are living in a society that is heavily over-sexualized, because why? Sex is one of the biggest, if not the biggest energy that we constantly feel almost every day. Sometimes when we're around something that attracts us, which is why they put on TVs all many things, porn, that sexualized. Everything's sexualized, because that is one of the strongest energies I have ever felt in my life. Now, when a man sees a woman, or when a woman sees a man, you feel energy flowing through you, which is called sexual energy. Now, when you have a thought so powerful, you have got to have it. You start to move with rapid action to get it. The thought permeates in your mind. You feel it, energy flowing. You have to satisfy the sexual urge. The physical has to let go of this energy. What if you learn how to focus that energy and transmutate it somewhere else? Think about that. What if you wanted to have something in your life, and what if you were using the law of attraction, because you're using it whether you like it or not? So you might as well control it, because you're an expert at it anyway, just in the wrong way for many of you. If you were to take this sexual energy you feel for your spouse, your girlfriend, or just somebody you want to see, and harnessed it somewhere else.
Wait a second, hold on real quick. I'm looking at my computer and it says that 53.3% of y'all are not subscribed. That's a problem. Now, here's the thing. If you like my videos and you like the content that I bring, I would appreciate if you subscribe. Stay tuned and hit the notification bell. All right, I'm done. Back to the video.
Now, if you're somebody who's highly promiscuous in this society, it's heavily demonized, but we're over-sexualized anyway, so a lot of us are going to be promiscuous because we're forced to go to sex, but those who are a little bit stronger, have more willpower, they don't do that. They may use it somewhere else and they don't even realize how. Now, studies show that some of the most successful people in the world have the highest sex drives. You know, whether they like it or not, or know it or not, they're actually using their sexual energy to attain more success and bring more to them by transmutating that energy into something else. What if you did that? What if you learned how to do that? What if you were sitting next to your wife and you guys were touching each other and you both had this information and knowledge, or you're sitting next to your boyfriend, you know, or your girlfriend, or whatever you may be, and you both understood this energy was going through your body. It's surging, flowing through your body. And what if you both got focused on a different task that you wanted to get accomplished, such as reading, comprehending more information, and use that sexual energy to do that? Because you can do many things with your body and the energy flowing through it, just like you're doing something now by moving your hands, with your spirit controlling your mind and your mind controlling your body. That's how it works. One thing leads to another. If you learn how to control your sexual energy and harness it somewhere else, try it for 30 days and tell me how your life looks after that. Because sexual energy is strong, and you can bring and pull things to you even faster by using the sexual energy already flowing through your body. Simple concept, very challenging to accomplish, because many of you living in society with all the love and R&B a lot of us grew up with, that we were singing and we didn't understand what it was. we're using sexual energy to accomplish sex on a lower level, on the primal level. And I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with sex. I'm saying that you're not supposed to be having it every day and releasing every day, as we talked about in the previous video that you might want to check out. But if you learn how to control these desires going through your body, you will learn how to control other realms of your life. And they will start to come together because you will start to focus this strong energy flowing through your system and have more rapid action, laws. Everything's around us. You are part of the creator. Start acting like one. Unlock and activate the inner God in you. Knowledge of self is powerful. And wake up a lot earlier. Creativity between 5 and 6 a.m. Your creativity is at its all-time high, but you're sleeping through it. I love y'all. If you like this video and if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, you want to see more videos like this, or you want to comment on something I said, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. I'm going to see y'all soon until the next one. Peace.